STN, my name is Rocco Castro.
And I'm Sergio Ortiz, and we're reporting from the heart and soul of Homestead.
Better known as our school, Somerset Prep Homestead.
Let's take a look at what makes Somerset the soul of our city, starting with our principal, Miss Mesa.
Then, we will discuss the importance of events and school culture with Miss Aguilera.
Lewis will be talking about the importance of participating in extracurricular activities.
All this and more on this episode of Vibes on TV. Being a leader takes courage, but leading a community takes heart.
Kyle knows what we're talking about. Let's go to him.
Good morning, I'm Kyle Dorset reporting for STN. Today we take a closer look at the role of education in shaping our city's future, starting with a leader at the heart of it all.
So I think the relationship between students and teachers, it's a very big role within a student's development and within the school culture. The students have to know that their teachers are there for the right reasons, and that they have to know that they care about them outside of just their classroom. So when I go to different sporting events and I see teachers there supporting their students, I think that in itself is a big factor, where the students are now seeing their teachers involved in extracurricular activities that they're interested in. Same thing when there's shows after school. Just having the teachers show up for the students and see them and support them, that makes a big difference in the development of the students. And the students enjoy it. The next day that they come onto campus, they're saying, "Oh, you saw my show, how did I do?" And all that really makes a difference in the spirit of the school as well.
I'm Kyle Dorset reporting for STN.
Soul of the city can be tiring, so let's take a quick break.
The school is made out of walls, bricks, and doors, but that's not what makes it special. The school isn't just a building, it's the people, the friendships we make, the lessons we learn, and the memories we create. The school isn't just a place, it's a family, a legacy, a home. The soul of the school is you, so let's keep it strong together.
The soul of the city isn't a full experience without fun.
You know what's fun?
Oh, I know what's fun.
Events, games, pep rallies. Oh man, I can keep going.
And so can Kiana.
Today we are here at SPA to show that events are very important because it brings us all together. Now let's see our events director to see how she brings our school together.
I enjoy watching those smiles on the faces of students, parents, and teachers alike. So I look forward to having engaging events that brings the whole community together. And I look forward to seeing that excitement every year. I think school events are extremely important in keeping students engaged in any school event. Sometimes students, that monotony of school every single day becomes very mundane, and these fun events keep them engaged, makes them want to come to school, and I think it's extremely important for me to always keep that in mind when I'm planning events. School events can extremely be important when it comes to shaping school culture. So all of our events have the student in mind, making sure that students are feeling like not every day is just tests and being challenged only academically, but also making sure we're engaging them emotionally, making sure we're bringing students together that might not otherwise have the opportunity or ability to speak to other students.
I'm Kiana Moya reporting for STN.
I'm glad I'm in extracurricular activities.
Me too. It makes me feel so involved.
Now, Lewis, heads up.
Thanks, Sergio. Extracurricular activities are a very big part of a school's soul because they are what represents the school outside the campus. Being involved in these occupations not only gives you a fun or useful activity, but according to the University of California, if a student spends over 10 hours a week on extracurricular activities, their retention rate would rise from 3 to 5% higher than none. Hey, bud. Also, the Mississippi Association of Educators has said that law students attending school activities have better behavior, grades, and test scores, making them more likely to graduate. Here at SPA, we're no exception with extracurriculars. We have dance, 5, 6, 7, 8. Music.
Theater.
TV production. Host song. Sport. Color guard. And more. School extracurriculars will make your life and the school's much better. Now back to Sergio and Rocco.
Well, STN, that's all that we have for you today. For Python TV, I'm Rocco Castro.
I'm Sergio Ortiz,
reporting.